Hello, NetApp Service Level Manager utilizes performance service levels to intelligently budget performance and manage workloads. In this video, I will demonstrate where you can find the performance service levels definition and how to apply them to new or existing workloads. Let's start by expanding the Configuration tab on the left side of the screen and click on Performance Service Levels. The software comes with 3 performance service levels: Extreme Performance, Performance, and Value. You can think of them as QoS policies, and each of them has a different performance definition. After a performance service level is applied to a workload, NSLM will allocate a specific amount of performance to this workload, and it will also monitor its latency against the threshold to determine whether the workload is conforming. On the right side of the screen, we can easily view how much storage is available for each performance tier and how many workloads have been assigned with a specific tier policy. These standard performance service levels will meet the requirements from most of the large enterprise environments. NSLM also provides users flexibility to customize performance service levels. If you do need to create a customized performance service level, you may click on the Add button to get started. You can either fill out the details manually or pick the values based on existing policy. You may also have noticed that there's a tab for storage efficiency policies. These policies are aligned with ONTAP efficiency settings, and NSLM provides users the flexibility to enable them on any workload at your choice, but this is not an enforced option by NSLM. The workload screen provides us a single place to view and manage all of the applicable workloads that are residing in the storage environment. The colored icons on the left side indicate a specific workload status, and you can view the legend by moving your cursor over the information icon next to status. After the initial setup, NSLM will start learning the I/O load applied to each workload and provide its recommended performance service level. This process can take up to 24 hours. NSLM provides users a very simple way to provision within the user interface. Let's click on the Create button and provision a new 1 GB NFS file share via the user interface by filling in the details. For the performance service level, we'll choose Value tier. Please note we don't need to specify the storage efficiency policy, and it's an optional choice. Now, we can see the new workload shown up in the workload screen with the value performance service level assigned. This is a very simple way to provision a single workload, but it also works if you prefer provisioning with a different tool that you're familiar with. What you need to do is to call NSLM RESTful APIs from your platform, and the provisioning request will be taken care of by NSLM in the background. We have created user-friendly API Swagger, which explains each API in details. This page can be accessed by clicking on the question mark button at the right top corner of your screen, and then click on API Documentation. After the first time setup, you may want NSLM to manage some or all of your workloads. The process is very simple. From the workload screen, you may filter and select multiple workloads and click on More Actions, assign performance service level, and choose a tier that you would like to apply. If any of the workloads had a policy assigned to them previously, this step can also override with the new policy with your consent. If NSLM has already provided a recommended performance service level, you may directly select Assign System Recommended in the Assignment option. And that's all. We have reviewed the performance service levels and applied them to the new or existing workloads. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.